အဲ့ဒါနဲ့လူတွေကအောင့်ငုံကြည့်ပြီးတော့သွားတော့ဒီဘုန်းကြီးတွေဘာတွေရှားနေဘာတွေမလဲဆိုတော့လည်းပဲဒီလူတွေရှိတယ်ပေါ့လေ
Seattle was talking about Atharasa Dhammarasa.
အဲ့ဒီနောက်ထပ်ကိုသွားကြတော့အဲ့မဲ့
If you realize the taste or the secret of Atta, true benefit and meaning, and the secret of Dhamma, nature phenomena, you will definitely enjoy meditation. Those who practice Dhamma should first understand these four sampajanyas. Sattaka Sampajanya, reflecting on whether an action is beneficial or not before doing it. Sappaya Sampajanya, even if an action is beneficial, reflecting and choosing the appropriate time and circumstances suitable for oneself. Gosara Sampajanya, reflecting to avoid going astray or making mistakes in one's domain of conduct. Asamoha Sampajanya, reflecting on the true causes and nature of things, such as the four postures, walking, standing, sitting, lying down, etc., without confusion or delusion.